Mao ba ni ang last kaniya nakita ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Monique. Any questions ani on this part? Wala. So mo to siya no actually ako na mag-explain this one. This part is already explained in the previous slide. Anong we have this part here. It is because the inertial force is gikan na siya dito sa mass nato. And then the mass has moved initially from this point up to this point. That's why our initial force have we included the acceleration of the ground and then the acceleration as well of the structure. Hence, now we have this part. So don't worry about the negative sign. No, the negative sign is just a directional. No. So mo na siya. We just arrange it to this form, the equation of motion of the building experiencing earthquake. Same ra po niya itong isa. But instead of just the dynamic force, we have of course, the negative mass times the ground acceleration. And then that ground acceleration, because of this equation, no, mura siya kuan similar ani that instead of just the ground acceleration, we can relate it to this one, where there is a force, something like an equivalent force on the top of the structure, and then we can just write that as this equation, that the mass times acceleration plus the damping force times the velocity plus the elastic static restoring force times the deformation is equal to this equivalent force. So inyo nakita no nga because of the ground motion and we have employed this part here, the mass times the ground acceleration, is mura siya gi-equate as a lateral force applied sa tuang structure. Hence we have this equation. But of course, this part here is just this one. This one here. And I think that's all for today nga kuan discussion. Mora to siya no we have tried to kuan. We have an introduction to structural dynamics, and then we have defined the statics and the dynamics. We have already simplified and idealized the structure so that we can formulate an equation of motion for this structure. But of course, much deeper reason nga itong gisimplify and idealize and structure is that so we can minimize kung ano, the required number of equation to solve the equation of motions. And then as you can see in an idealized structure, you have the mass and the stiffness. And if that idealized structure is being deformed or displaced, it will generate a perpetual motion, a perpetual vibration. And this is not realistic. That's why we have employed the damping element for this structure. So by adding the damping element of the structure, we have finally have a simplified, idealized, and already a functional single degree of freedom system. And from there, we have formulated an equation of motion. But we use the D'Alembert's principle to formulate the equation of motion. So in the building with an applied dynamic force, the resisting forces that we have, not a tulok resisting forces, we have the inertial force that is equal to the mass times the acceleration. We have as well the damping force that is equal to the damping coefficient times the velocity. And we have also the static or the elastic force, which is equal to the stiffness times the deformation or the displacement. By the way, since this is the response of the structure, kato silang velocity, displacement, acceleration are the responses of the structure. We can call those response displacement, response velocity, and response acceleration. Take note of that word because pohon, basigin nyo nang magamit. And then we have arrived on the last part of the discussion today on the building subjected to an earthquake motion, subjected to earthquake. So, di ba in the building subjected to dynamic force, we have those equation equal to the applied dynamic force. And then when the building is subjected to earthquake, there were no changes with the damping and elastic force. However, there were changes in the inertia force because of the displacement of the ground. And eventually have simplified the equation of motion for this one to show that the ground motion is somehow nasa a lateral force acting on the top of the building. But again, this is just as well equal to the negative mass times the ground acceleration. So that's all for our discussion today. In the next discussion, we are going to calculate or solve for the equation, no, for the solution of the equation of motion. We have already the equation of motion. Then next part, or next step will be the calculation for the solution of the equation of motion, which is as well again a system of equation of motion. Do you have any questions for today? Yes, Miss Odasco.
Sir, good morning, sir. Kaganya, sir, ba na-mention ni mo nga murag short quiz bitaw, sir? Like, unsa to nga short quiz po, sir? Sa kanito nga topic, sir?
Sa 3.
Katong sa lesson 3 po, sir?
Yes.
Murag wala pa ta, ay, murag wala pa ata naka-short quiz, sir, nga murag wala pa nato natakal ata ang lesson 3 ata, sir.
Self-study ang lesson 3. Simple naman sa 2. That is about the plate interaction, and then we have the intensity and magnitude scale. Mo naman to. Naka-assignment naman mo 'di ba sa lesson 3 katong body waves, surface waves, yung magnitude.
Yes sir. Nalambot ko i-clarify sir ba. So imong na kuan ganyan sir nga mag-shoot quiz ta this Friday sir. So how about katong sa quiz 1 sir nga wala na to na kuan sir. When to sir?
Wala pa ta kakuan sa quiz 1, ka short quiz?
Ay katong kuan sir.
Long quiz bitaw
Katong
kay
long
bani
quiz bitaw sir.
Ay, yeah,
Ay,
long quiz. Yes,
hmm.
this Friday.
So ang
Oh, yes.
ang
And ang long
next
quiz is this Friday. Doon na, we have long quiz and short quiz for this Friday.
okay sir. Sige sir, noted sir.
If kuan, I don't know, there are plans sa department this Friday, no, there are activities, and hopefully dili ma-disturb atong schedule na sad. But if dili ma-disturb na schedule, then we'll continue with our plan on having the long quiz this Friday and as well the short quiz. Any
Okay sir,
questions?
noted sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, for clarification, sir, ang coverage sa long quizzer is 1 to 3 ang siya
No.
sa-
Long quiz is 1 and 2, short quiz 3.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Any questions? Wala na? Yeah, that's all for